before we start, take a look at this meme. Think about it. At the end of this video, I want you to write your thoughts about this meme in the comment section. Let's see how many of you get that joke. Now, let's start with our lesson, which is comment in PHP. So let's create a new file and call it comment.php. Enter, and also let's go to this file inside our browser as well. So instead of echo.php, I will type comment.php. Now I am inside my PHP file. So let's start by typing our opening PHP tag and closing PHP tag. Now let's type our PHP code. For example, echo hello PHP. Let's save. It's in the browser because my live server is running. Now, what is a comment? For example, if you want to explain to another developer what does this code do, so you will write a comment by typing double slash, and in here you can type it. For example, this is a single line comment. Now it will not display in my browser, but I can see it in my code. And even if I go to the page source, I don't see this comment, only I see the part which I wrote with the echo. So hello PHP, but there is no other thing in here. You can also write a comment by typing hash on the front of your text. This is also a comment, but the most common way to write a comment is by the double slash. You can also comment out your code. Right now I have this one. For example, this one has a bug or something. Now I just want to comment it out. Now the PHP will not process this one. As you guys can see in my browser also, it's showing blank. And again, if I go to my page source, nothing is in my page source because I commented out my code. And if I uncomment it, it will show back. So let's go here. Now I got my text again. You can also write a comment on the front of your code by just typing double slash and writing your comment. This is comment. So both of them are a single line comments, but you can also write multi-line comments also in PHP by typing slash star. Now you can type your comment in here, and when you are done, you can end it by typing star slash. Now anything you type after this, it will be processed by PHP. So this is after comment. Save. I got my text, but not my comments. So this is it for the comments. You can write comment by typing double slash or hash, or even if you want to write multi-line comment, you can start with slash star and end it with star slash.